Accused murderer Nick Reiner is due back in court Wednesday for his arraignment, where a judge will formally inform him of the charges against him and he will have the opportunity to enter a plea. The 32-year-old is charged with killing his parents, filmmaker and actor Rob Reiner and producer Michelle Reiner. His arraignment had originally been scheduled for December 17, but his attorney, high-profile defense lawyer Alan Jackson, requested a delay until January 7. Jackson did not explain the reason for the postponement, but legal experts say it may have been to allow time for a psychiatric evaluation. Former prosecutor and criminal defense attorney Mark Betterow says such an evaluation could be critical not only to a possible insanity defense, but also to determining whether Reiner is mentally competent to participate in court proceedings. The defense may be seeking to establish whether Reiner understands what is happening and is fit to move forward with the case. Wednesday's court appearance could offer the first real insight into how Reiner plans to defend himself against charges that could result in a life sentence or even the death penalty. It will be up to the judge to decide whether the arraignment will be televised. During Reiner's initial court appearance on December 17, cameras were allowed to stream the proceedings, but media were prohibited from photographing or recording Reiner himself. Courtroom sketches showed him wearing a suicide prevention vest. Los Angeles County District Attorney Nathan Hochman announced December 16 that Reiner is charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder, along with a special circumstance allegation for committing multiple murders. That enhancement allows prosecutors to seek the death penalty, though Hochman says his office has not yet decided whether it will pursue it. Reiner also faces a special allegation that he used a dangerous weapon, specifically a knife, which could add additional prison time if convicted. Rob and Michelle Reiner were found dead in their Brentwood home on December 14. Authorities say the deaths were homicides caused by multiple sharp force injuries. Nick Reiner, who reportedly had a long history of drug abuse and was living in a guest house on the property, was arrested later that same day near the University of Southern California. After his arrest, Reiner's bail was initially set at $4 million but was later revoked, meaning he remains in custody with no option for release before trial. His defense team could raise the issue of bail during the arraignment, though judges in California weigh factors such as flight risk and danger to the community when making those decisions. Alan Jackson is known for his aggressive courtroom style and success with high-profile cases. He previously represented Kevin Spacey, securing the dismissal of sexual assault charges in 2019, and won an acquittal for Karen Redd in a widely watched murder trial in Massachusetts. Jackson has also shown a willingness to engage with the media, something he did outside court in Reiner's case, calling the situation a devastating tragedy while urging the public to withhold judgment as complex issues are examined. Rob Reiner was best known for directing films such as When Harry Met Sally and A Few Good Men, and for his role as Michael Meathead Stivic on All in the Family. He and Michelle Reiner also shared 2 other children, Jake and Romy Reiner, who released a joint statement saying they were experiencing unimaginable pain and asking for privacy and compassion amid public speculation. The family's history has drawn added attention to the case. Nick Reiner co-wrote the film Being Charlie, directed by his father, which was loosely based on his struggles with addiction. The Los Angeles County Medical Examiner's Office has confirmed it is withholding the autopsy reports for Rob and Michelle Reiner under a court order requested by police. Officials say the information will be released once that order is lifted. Nick Reiner remains in custody as he awaits his arraignment, a key step in a case that continues to draw national attention.